All right, back with the 99 Ford Expedition. I'm not sure what happened to my video, guys. It must have cut off. Anyways, yeah, just clip that back into your tube under there. Make sure they clip back into place. And I also took off this ground wire as well. This little grounding wire right here. It goes right here where that bolt is. I took that off, just like I said, just to make it easier to get to. Also, too, with like a little shroud here. There it is. It's 10 millimeter bolts on those. I just took those off. This piece broke, but that's it. There's a 10 millimeter bolt here, and then two on this side, one here and one there. Just took those off, and you can take that shroud right off there, just to get to some of this stuff a little bit easier. That's it. Should be good to go. All right, thanks guys. See y'all later.